This is a review of these collapsible laundry hampers, or at least that's how we use these. We have had these for, gracious, about 2 years, I think, and they are still in excellent condition. The reason that we bought these is when we travel, we use these, like I have 3 children. We keep one, my husband and I keep one with us. We send one with them, and they can throw their dirty clothes in. And of course, you could use these in your house and have everybody to bring things down or to the laundry. You could have them to bring them to the laundry room, but they have these handles. They're quite deep, and we've got dirty clothes in this one. We're getting ready to leave a vacation, but they are freestanding. It's a thicker material, and then there's this wire frame around it that keeps it open. And so they can throw their dirty clothes, whether it's in your upstairs or downstairs or on vacation, and then bring it down. And you've got everything ready to go in the laundry. I want to show you the neat thing, though, and the way that we use it as a family. I want to just show you how easily these fold up. We've had these, as I mentioned, almost 2 years, and the creases are still there. It is still heavy duty. They have not torn or anything like that. The inside is somewhat plasticized, so if you have wet materials or wet clothes or anything like that, it won't stain on the inside, and you could easily wipe it out. You can just fold it in like this and then over like that. And the way we do it is we just keep these in our suitcases because we use these for travel. And we just have them both folded in there. And then you can undo it when it's time. And it just, I'm trying to do this one-handed. But then it just stands up like that. These are wonderful for your home or for travel. And I highly, highly recommend these.